Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the headlight bulbs on this 2016 Mazda CX-5. Alright guys, we're going to start with the driver's side. This is your high beam, this is your low beam. The high beam is pretty easy to change because it's right there. So what you do is press on this tab right here and pull down like that. Now you're going to twist the bulb counterclockwise like that and pull it out. Okay, this is your bulb. Get a new one and always wear gloves when you do this, because the oil in your hand might mess up the bulb. You plug it back in and that's it. That's how you change the high beam. Now the low beam is in there, okay, and you do the same thing. These are the bulbs you need, H11. That's what it looks like. So all you gotta do is stick it back in there and then plug it in. Okay, you do the same thing for the passenger side. The bulb for the high beam is right there, and the other one is right next to it on this side. That's it. All right guys, I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.